In a world where water was scarce, a wise old turtle spoke to the creatures. Our wetlands are nature's kidneys, filtering life. The frogs croaked in agreement. Here we find shelter and food. Birds chirped. Our nests thrive above these waters. The animals realized the wetlands' magic, purifying water and providing homes. One day, a drought threatened their sanctuary. The turtle urged, "Protect our wetlands, and they will protect us." United, they restored the marshes, ensuring clean water and vibrant life. "Together, we thrive!" they cheered. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.